Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is a tutorial and review on the new Milani Soft and Sultry palette. Now they recently launched two of these. The other one is labeled Pure Passion and it's more of a warm toned palette. Now these are exclusive to MilaniCosmetics.com and then also Walmart. They retail for $20 and then you get 12 shadows, a mixture of mattes and shimmers. I believe there is 4 shimmers in here and then the rest are matte. Now I did pick up the Soft and Sultry one because I'm more of a fan of like the cool tone shadows, so this one just really appealed to me more. Now you do get mattes and shimmers in this palette, and I like the fact that on the back there's 3 different looks. You have your weekday look, your weekend look, and then your fun day look. So it's kind of like if you need an idea for inspiration for an eye look, they have it easily labeled on the back here for you. Now I also love that the shadows are labeled as well, and that the palette does come with a mirror. I don't know about you guys, but I love when palettes come with mirrors. It just makes it so much easier when you're going to do your makeup. Now I did create today's look with it, so I'll go ahead, I'm going to show you how I completed that. And at the end I'll give my thoughts on how I feel about the palette. So if these are the kind of videos you like, give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, now here's the completed look. So when I ordered this off of Milani's website, it was National Lipstick Day. So if you spend a certain amount, you actually got a free lipstick from them as well. So I decided, since I purchased this anyway, that I would go ahead and apply it to my lips. It is the Hypnotic Lights Lip Topper, and it is in the shade Flashing Light. I think that over top of, you know, a liquid lip, or even maybe a lip gloss, you can mix it in with it. It looks beautiful. Now, I did kind of go in a little bit lightly, and I tried to keep it kind of more towards the center of my lips. It kind of amps up your look, so I don't know if this is something that you're going to go out and run errands with, but if you're going out for the night, this is something that might definitely work for you. So as far as this palette goes, in my opinion, Milani has done it again. You guys know I'm obsessed with the Gilded Desires palette, and this is definitely another one that's going to be in my everyday makeup routine. The shadows were extremely creamy, and again, they blended so easily. So with the metallic shades, there was a bit of a fallout, so again, I would recommend doing your eye makeup before your face makeup, but that is never anything, in my opinion, that's going to hold me back from a palette that I love. I can easily just do my eyes before my face. It's not a big deal at all. So in my opinion, I would definitely go out and grab this palette, especially if you're into like the cooler tone shadows. It's a beautiful palette. You can create several different looks with the shadows. This is just one that I did, and I feel like I obtained this look really easy and quickly as well. Like the shadows blended out so quickly. And they layered beautifully with each other as well. Alright, so there you have my opinion on the palette. Again, give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I'll be sure to do more tutorials and reviews on new products that are coming out every day in the makeup world. And I will see you guys in my next video.